Hey y'all, back with another video. I feel like I always start my videos looking crazy, but if you watch to the end, I'll be looking like this, period. So yeah, this is just gonna be a little vlog, transformation vlog. I'm getting my hair, my nails, I'm getting the wax done. I'll probably go to the mall and like buy some stuff, but whatever I do in these past next couple of days regarding my transformation, I will vlog. So yeah, if you want to see me go from this to this, keep on watching. Yes. Oh my gosh. No, I don't understand why they made us go to school online. It's so hard.
I bet.
Like, I be sitting in my room, I'm like, oh, I'm supposed to study right now, but I be watching TV and everything.
Y'all have to like Zoom live?
Yes, but the way it is, it's like we have to still go to class on Zoom, but we also have to like watch the videos outside of class. So some of my classes, it's like I'm going to class every single day. So that's weird because if we was in person, it wouldn't be like that.
Right.
So I don't like that, but.
And so like on the time that your class starts, that's when you gotta be online.
Yes. Some professors make you like turn your camera on and like talk, but a lot of my professors, you just have to be there and you have to like sign in so they can take attendance. So.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out game weak. Yeah, you fucking with some ass pussy. This ass pussy. This ass pussy. Beat it up, nigga, catch a charge.
Ooh, y'all, my skin, okay, y'all. But hey y'all, I got my nails did. Yeah, I got my nails and my toes did. Girl, I took that lady $20. Man, she was in there mud doing her damn thing. She was rubbing the fuck out of my feet, y'all. It felt so good, I promise you. Like, she was rubbing my legs, everything. It felt so good, bro. So yeah, but I set an appointment with this girl to braid my hair back on Monday. Today is Thursday, so my hair gonna be looking fucked up for a couple of days. I bought my wig and it already shipped out, so hopefully I get it on Monday or Tuesday, because I'm thinking about doing my hair Tuesday after my exam. Yeah, got my nails done. I went to go get a wax, and I went, and the lady was so cool. She was funny in the mud, and she opening up her own stuff, so I'm just gonna go to her and she's gonna be my permanent waxer. Yeah, so happy. Today was fun. Look. All right, y'all, what it do? I always come in this month looking crazy, but I'm back. I haven't talked to y'all since Friday. Today is Tuesday, but I finally got my hair. So yeah, I got my nails done, as y'all seen in the last clip. I've been walking around looking crazy. Well, I really ain't been going nowhere because I look crazy, but I got my hair today. So I'm done with classes and stuff for today. So what I'm going to do is I want to like catch up and stuff, and get, well, not catch up, but like I don't know. Anyways, so I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna bleach it, fuck the knots, and I'm probably going to put it on today or tomorrow morning because I don't have classes in the morning. But I did get this hair off of AliExpress from a company called Gabriella's or something like that. Gabrielle's hair. Come with a wig cap and come with a wig. Look, straight to the point. Cause I don't even like these baby lashes. But I did get this is the 13x4 lace frontal wig. You see a 20-inch, and it's a natural color. By the way, I might dye this one black, but I was going for something yeah, let me take this off. I was going for something like short and just like no part layers type thing. I didn't want something too long because it is hot out here and it be humid and stuff. I don't be having time. But this hair, so the hair is 20 inches, 13x4, and I'm glad that they give you all of this front space. You know how some of it be like you get like 2 inches on the side. No, I want all of it. So this the lace, this the hair. I'm gonna bleach it first, Then I will pluck the knots, bleach it, pluck the knots, and then I'm going to wash it and install it. Hey y'all, I look crazy. I got the AIs, Queen to set it off, Queen Latifah's, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so I guess same day, I just got done washing my hair, blow drying it, and braiding it. I'm really lucky, man, because my braids are ugly, and I wanted, like, yeah, I got nails, so, and I knew I was going to get my nails done on Thursday, so, and I knew I was going to get, at that point, I knew I was going to get my hair after Thursday, so I was like, I was just going to pay somebody to braid my hair down, because I got nails, and I wanted them to be real small and neat, so I can keep them in for a long time, because I don't like braiding like that. I feel like that's the worst part. Anyways, so I had texted this, I had went on Twitter and was like, who braid and in the city, and this boy had he had tagged this girl stuff under, so I DM'd her and stuff like that. She sent me her Instagram link and was just like set an appointment through Instagram. At first I was gonna get my hair done I thought I was getting my hair done on Friday, so I had told her Friday. She was like, I got appointments available. But then when I found out that my hair wasn't coming in today, I was like, I'll get it done Monday. I'm just going to get it done Monday, rock the braids for a day. And then when my hair comes, the only thing I have to do is just like bleach the wig and then bleach it and pluck it and stuff like that. Girl, so I went in and what am I saying? Oh, so I went in and did I set an appointment and stuff like that for Monday at 10 in the morning. And that was it. I didn't know if I was supposed to do nothing else. I filled the shit out, like the form out and everything. I don't know. I never have to book appointments because usually my sister do my hair. My sister been doing my hair since I was probably in middle school, and then I did my own hair. So I never had like a professional do my hair and nothing like that. I never had to sit in up with like a real professional chair. So I never booked appointments before. So I'm like, okay, was she expecting me to hit her up and back up on Twitter and be like, oh, I set an appointment? No, that don't make sense, because I'm pretty sure she see that I set a fucking appointment because it's her stuff and her company. That's what I'm saying. It's like her company. So like, I'm pretty sure she see that I set an appointment. So I didn't know what to do. So I was waiting. I'm waiting. And I'm waiting. Even to Monday morning, I had got up and like, I was waiting on her to like text me or something, like, and then like she didn't have an address or nothing like that. I didn't have her number or nothing like that. And I feel as though if I'm ordering a service from you, I look crazy. Let me go get my sister. I feel as though if I'm ordering a service, or if I'm ordering a service, well, not ordering, but if I wanted you to serve me and I'm paying you for your service and I'm booking an appointment, I definitely shouldn't have to. I hope this don't mess up the shit, but because I haven't did this in a long time, y'all. I'm used to wearing glueless wigs, but anyways, if I'm ordering a service from somebody and it's an appointment, that person shouldn't have to DM me and follow up on an appointment. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you set an appointment for European Wax Center, they gonna call you the day before. They gonna call you probably 2 days. They gonna probably call you 2 days before, in the day before, to confirm your appointment. And then if you miss your appointment and all that stuff, then they gonna hit you up and be like, what happened? You know what I'm saying? She didn't hit me up like afterwards, after 10 o'clock or nothing. So I don't know what happened, but yeah. So I'm just about to do this part. I don't know why I just told y'all that, cause I'm bored. But I got the I need to put some alcohol on my I need to put some alcohol on here, but I'm about to lay the wig cap down with this instead of the got to be glued. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to order a big bottle because I ain't know this one was this small. But yeah, so I'm just going on a tangent, but I'm gonna come back later.
Why you out that dick? Why you really ain't never got a for a name? You already made his mind up. Now get your
Alright, y'all. So I got the wig on. I really need to put some layers in it, but I want it to be like just no part. So just like this. Just like this. But I need to put some layers in it. But this is cute. It look like my natural hair. Hey, hey, hey. Y'all, I'm so happy that I got my hair done. Cause I had them braids a couple of weeks ago, but they only lasted a week, and I kept them in for an extra week because I'm a lazy girl. But yes, I did use the Hold Me Down adhesive by Miss Erica J. I love you so much if you ever watch this video. But yeah, so I did use it. I kind of like it. I used it to do the ball cap method, and I also used it to lay my wig down, obviously. Yeah, so I'm gonna do like y'all see, I did bleach. Y'all, this is bomb. I did a good job. Okay, so I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so excited because I haven't had my hair done in a long time. But I did bleach the knots, as you can see, because more. So hopefully, long as the front of the lace and the baby hairs come out. I don't think I'm gonna do no baby hairs today because I don't have no Nairobis. I don't think I'm gonna style my hair today either, because I wanted to do layers, because I want it to be just like this. Like y'all see how it's just flowing. If I wanted to so like if I want to wear it like this, no parts. I want to wear it like this. And then if I want to just, so like kind of like a flip over, I'm still gonna have baby hairs. I've been watching I've been trying to find YouTube videos, because y'all know I'm new at this. Like I just watch YouTube videos, and that's how I learn how to do certain stuff. So I'm new at this. I have bleached my hair. I have bleached about 4 or 5 wigs, but like laying a wig down, I tried it back in my freshman year, so 2 years ago, and I really didn't like it. I was using extra glue, and it's alright. It ain't not that, so I didn't like it, but it hold me down. I sweat a lot and I work out, so because I run a mile in the morning. So this the hair. It is short, y'all. I'm gonna have to go get some long hair. I'm gonna get tired of this wig in about 2 weeks, for real. It is short, but this is bomb. Y'all really can't see, but I did pluck the fuck out of this. Like I never usually, like when I get wigs, I do glue this one, and then I really never like pluck that much, so I can tell. Like my wigs don't be looking like, oh, what the fuck, but they do be like, it ain't no scalp, you know what I'm saying? People know that it's a wig, but I don't care about that. So yeah, this it. I haven't cut the lace off or the ear tabs, so I'm just waiting for like the glue to like melt and soak in. I'm about to hot comb the edges back, and then I probably will like blow dry for like 2 or 3 minutes. I ain't
Pictures of this wet ass pussy. Pay tuition just to kiss me on this wet ass pussy. Now make it rain if you wanna see some wet ass pussy.
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke, got a garnish nigga, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope it lead. Oh, that's some money, then that's where I'm headed. Pussy A1, just like his credit. He got a beard when I'm tryna wet it. I let him taste it, now he diabetic. I don't wanna spit, I wanna go, I wanna gag, I wanna choke. I want you to touch that little dingly that's sling in the back of my throat. My head can just fire, but me the sun is going, it's drying, it's coming outside, yeah, I'll turn that down, the cops behind me, I smell her smirk, and I hate tryna sign me.
Yana, I'm a freak bitch, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat. In the food chain, I'm the one that eat you. If he ate my ass, he's a bottom feeder. Big D stand for big demeanor. I can make you bust before I ever meet you. If it don't hang, then he can't bang. You can't hurt my feelings, but I like pain. Fuck me and ask whose is it when I ride the dick. I'll spell my name.
Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring the bucket and I'm motherfucking foot.
Alright, hey y'all. Look, I got my eyebrows. I did my baby hair. Y'all like my hair? I don't have no I don't have any Nairobis, or I don't have wax sticks. So I need to go to the beauty supply, and once I get that, my hair is laid down the way I want it to.